I like these right here though. These are pretty cool.
Are they like little crock pot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For appetizers, this is incredible. Shrimp and grits, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Grits. Another plastic soda. I've been really doing their justice.
Holy shit,
Yeah.
sorry. Nothing like a call for an interview right in this shit.
Oh no, that was perfect.
No one's got in trouble with him.
What he said?
They're fine with it, but they were concerned at first.
All right, so
Okay, yeah. Where are we at?
we have a pool.
Did he talk to you about hors d'oeuvres? One thing. Something easy.
Simple.
Yeah. Something quick and easy. While they're drinking, eat. I should have said something before and then asked him to tell you, but I should have known that.
That's all good. So we got melted produce. We take the produce out of the house first, and then grab a deer over in there too. Definitely.
Really?
Wow.
Oh, I thought she turned around from the camera.
No.
Oranges, salmon from the seafood side of the house, and everything is a whole bunch of produce basically. So if you grab, you got 62 whole salmon, oranges, two bags of oranges.
What, one fillet, both sides of the fillets or something? You should go whole thing? Or you talking about half of it?
That's my whole.
Oh, the whole
Head
thing?
on.
Yeah, break it down.
Because they're gonna charge more for Chick-fil-A's or basically. Heavy cream eggs. See if they got duck roast. I know they got lamb chops in here. Spinach, shallot, garlic. Just kind of this way. Lamb chops, salmon, and oysters.
Lamb chops, salmon.
We're gonna go to the produce.
Yeah, usually it's on the other.
That's spinach, shallots, garlic. 65 people, so be mindful of that. This shit's made backwards as hell.
Did you see the shellfish sesame allergy?
There's one person, right?
Yeah.
I guess that's
I mean, it's just the oysters, really, right?
salmon. No, it's shellfish.
Shellfish.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's shellfish, not fish.
Technically, oysters are honest. We'll let it ride. We'll let it ride. We'll let it
Don't
ride.
get technical with these people. Come on.
I know. This is a salmon. This is this. You see anything? Spinach, shallots, and garlic. Yeah.
What was that second thing?
Shallots.
Shallot.
Yeah, and garlic. I don't see shit we need. Place is fucking backwards.
You want field garlic?
Yeah.
Are you using lemon on anything?
Yeah. Spinach just for the oysters. You see the shallot? Yes. You see the shallots?
Shallots?
It might be on the side over here where he is.
Oh man, I should be driving this thing.
You got a license.
About to drop shit on the floor. Hey! So check it, man. This is about to be some crazy shit. Like they ain't got half the stuff we need in here, so we're gonna try to get what we can get, grab what we can grab, and get out the store.